Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently in Brighton, as you probably know. I'm here for exchange, and today I decided to film me cooking. Yes, never did I think there would come a day where I would be showing you cooking. There's this running joke that Sage can't cook. Now, I thought this was true too. Never used to step inside a kitchen. I didn't know how to cook at all. And I honestly was terrified of cooking and fire and anything to do with that. So, and knives as well. Oh my god, no. I could not cook. Could not cook. Ever since I came to exchange, I have been impressing myself with my skills of being able to chop an onion with crying. And I've been cooking some solid meals, okay? But I will say when I first started, it was horrible. But you know what? She's trying, she's learning, you know. The very first meal I cooked was a quinoa, egg, soy sauce, fried rice kind of thing. It was not great. It was a little bit bland, but you know what? It was edible, so it was fine. Went on to make more stuff. I tried the quinoa bowl again and it turned out to be pretty good, and I've kind of nailed that now. I've made some pesto chicken cheesy creamy pasta thing with cherry tomatoes. I made dal. She made dal. I made chole. And yeah, I really want to learn how to cook, and I do realize that I actually really enjoy cooking. I do. It's a really great stress reliever and a really great distraction, and yeah, I actually really enjoy it, so I can't wait to learn a lot more stuff. But for now, with my beginner cooking skills, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make dinner for my siblings and my roommate, aka my very good friend Aroma. I'm going to be making teriyaki chicken with brown rice. Now, I have attempted this teriyaki chicken before, and this is what it looked like the first time I made it. It was great. It was just really dry, and we are Indians and we like, you know, some sort of gravy, some sort of sauce to it. So I'm gonna reattempt. This is my thermal, by the way. I am going to reattempt to make this teriyaki chicken, and I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we shall see. Stay tuned and watch this video if you want to find out whether I managed to cook again. Now in the kitchen, and I'm gonna use my app. It's called Side Chef. Please sponsor me. Side Chef, they have this recipe. So I'm going to need, okay, let's see. I'm cooking for 1, 2, 3, 5. Water. 1 sec. Soya sauce. Honey. Brown sugar. Chopped ginger. Chicken. Cooking oil. Onion. I need to chop it. What do I do? Oh my god, I'm overwhelmed. First, I'm gonna make a sauce for the teriyaki to marinate the chicken, and yeah, I'm gonna get a bowl. Water, 1 and 1. Soy sauce, 3/4 cup. Oh, because I'm making for so many. But is this gonna stain? Shit. Never mind. 1 tablespoon of honey. Spoon. Honey. To make it a bit healthier, I'm not going to put the brown sugar in, and I'm going to just do 2 tablespoons of honey. Is that okay? Maybe I'm just making it unhealthier. I don't even know at this point. Okay, I'm just trying. Fresh ginger. This is from very lazy chopped ginger, because I am very lazy and I don't want to chop ginger. It's supposed to look like this, but it looks like this. So I'm just gonna mix it. Bitch focus. Hello. Now that I have the thing that I just made, I am going to cut some chicken. So what I did was I got the diced chicken breast so that I don't have to dice it. and I'm just going to cut it up some more because it's a little bit big and chunky, which I'm not really a fan of. So I'm gonna just cut this up some more. So now I have diced up all the chicken, and the recipe says I have to add this into this and then add 2 tablespoons of this and mix it. Let's do that. So I'm just gonna mix this now, this mixture, and this is marinating the chicken as I have learned. I mixed this. I'm gonna leave this to sit for about 15 minutes and I'm gonna work on the teriyaki sauce, which I failed miserably the last time. I'm supposed to make a sauce out of it, but I couldn't. So we shall see. The recipe says that now I'm supposed to heat the teriyaki sauce in a small saucepan over medium-high heat, stirring frequently. It's supposed to thicken, but it didn't thicken the last time because I don't have all the ingredients. I don't even know whether this is going to be a fail. Let's find out. It says as the sauce starts to boil, stir constantly as it thickens. So I think the last time what I did wrong was that I didn't wait for it to boil. So this time I'm gonna wait till there are bubbles. I'm now gonna... It's here.
They're here already? I'm like, who's this psycho talking to? I need your help to film me! It's called attempting to cook with me! Okay, moving on! It says, as the sauce starts to boil, stir constantly and...
I can't do this.
No, you're supposed to
I
have
have something to tell you, but you
Oh, wait, okay. So I'm stirring.
Yes, girl.
There's nothing happening. It's supposed to thicken. Oh yeah, I didn't add everything because I don't have everything.
No, like the powder that makes it
Cornstarch.
thicken. It's cornstarch is very important for it to thicken.
I don't have cornstarch.
Then it won't thicken.
I'm
You
going
can just make it Indian.
But I want to use that.
How?
I don't know.
Girl, it's rice.
Listen, I will do it. Okay, I don't know how to boil rice. I've never boiled rice before.
Because I'm cooking.
Well, this video is for beginners like me. It's shade in there.
I'm just gonna be a voice in the background.
Oh!
Okay, what did you do?
I've chopped onions. My eyes are stinging. An update. This this is not a sauce because we don't have cornstarch. So I'm gonna improvise. Yep, okay. And we're also boiling the rice. So now I'm gonna get this. Then I'm gonna on like, stop laughing! Some Fry Light 1 calorie spray because we're healthy. I'm not sure how much you're supposed to put, but I think that's a lot. It's fine. Wait for the oil to get hot.
Yes, girl.
Now I'm going to put the onion for some flavor. I'm thinking, should I put some garlic actually? No, okay, well I know the recipe. We're going to use this spoon because it'll have some flavor. Rima keeps laughing at me! Now that I've sauteed the onion, I'm going to add the chicken. And just cook it. Okay, this is what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to put a little bit inside and hope for the best. Whoa! I don't know. I have a little bit of help because my rice situation did not really go that well. And now it is stuck to the pan. I'm not sure why.
Because you didn't look after it. Okay. This is what. Can you please consult with me before you do shit like that? Don't worry, I'm making pasta.
No, you're not. You want to be like careful with dark soy sauce, you know. Have you cooked with dark soy sauce before? Oh, shit. What are your opinions of my almost done fried rice?
I'm curious why it's gooey.
Me too.
Huh? The fried rice is gooey.
Do you like overboil the rice?
Oh god.
I don't know.
Sorry.
If you have
sure
to make
this
fried rice, you should use leftover rice in the fridge for overnight.
Chef, I'm not a cook.
Then what are you doing?
I'm not sure.
To leave the suitcase there, basket with the rest.
And we're done. Actually, I think I'm gonna add a bit more dark sauce. I want it to be a bit more brown, you know? Brown.
Oh. So, what
If
happened
I go to the hospital tomorrow, it's Hillary's fault. Good luck, Charlie.
Oh god.
I have the video.
Okay.
You know I did. I don't know how.
I don't know what it is. What is it? Oh, it's on manual focus.
something.
Rima!
So good. How do you eat this?
Just
Your
eat it.
hand?
Vishu!
Just take
Porridge.
You guess. I mean, oh yeah, I can get you smaller. Wait, ask one.
Wait, Chef, is it not good?
It just tastes like you took all the teriyaki chicken sauce. Let me try with the rice.
Want so much attention.
Eat some salt.
Salt? Okay.
Oh god, that's the ultimate insult.
Don't put soya sauce, maybe.
No, I did put. It's really that bad?
No, it's alright.
It's good.
It's like bang average. It's alright. It's fine. Don't worry.
It's that
Oh
bad?
my god, don't worry guys. Stop it.
I wanna try
Put some on me,
it.
please. Oh god.
Funny.
Thanks.
Huh?
Now it's all over the game.
Add some more rice.
It's so bad! It's so bad!
I think it's nice.
Silly. What you're reacting is not that bad.
It is.
It's like, no, it's not bad. I can put it in my mouth.
I just want to wrap this video up. It was not what I expected at all. I genuinely thought I was gonna make a good meal, and I'm so sad it turned out to be not great at all. But you know what? I was thinking, should I still edit and upload this video? And you know what? I am going to, because this is real life, you know? Like, not everything goes according to plan, and I don't know how this whole cooking thing made me learn that even though I had some great hits, it doesn't mean that everything I do will be a success, and that's fine. You just gotta move on and live your life. And a really good friend of mine always tells me that you need to drop your expectations and just live life in the present, and that's exactly what I did. I dropped my expectations ever since. I think I screwed up when I put the entire teriyaki sauce in the rice, and that's when everything just went downhill from there. But it's fine. I live and I learn, and honestly this video is just gonna be really funny to look at when I look back on exchange, and I'm gonna remember this and how my siblings are way too nice and they just pretended to like it when it was really, really bad. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was something really funny and just not expected at all. And I hope that you took away something from this video and just live in the present and don't think too much. Life is too short. Have an amazing day. Like and subscribe this video if you want to see more, and leave a comment below to let me know what you want to see while I'm on exchange. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh my god.